Welcome to Books We Love. Today's storybooks are all about animals, just like Dungi. Let's get our first book. Our first book is Dorje's Stripes. Now this book is a very sweet and touching book about a Royal Bengal tiger named Dorje. Now Dorje's stripes are very interesting. There is a magical element to his stripes. It seems that the entire tiger population is connected to the number of stripes that Dorje has. Now in the beginning, Dorje had many stripes. But as the poachers started to poach these tigers, that means they started to hunt the tigers down just for sport, Dorje started to lose his stripes. Until one day, Dorje is the only tiger remaining. He's the only tiger remaining in the entire world. And this makes Dorje very sad, very listless. When he makes friends with a Tibetan monk. And then, slowly, something happens. But what happens, I won't tell you. Go find the book. The storybook is called Dorje's Stripes. Our next story is called Apaka. Now Apaka is the story of a little baby goat named Apaka who is the pet of a little girl. Now this little girl loves her little kid. A kid is the name for a baby goat. That's what kids are. This little girl, her name is Nonu. She loves Apaka very much. In fact, she loves her so much that all day long she's just thinking about what Apaka must be doing, what Apaka must be eating, what Apaka must be playing, that she is not able to think of anything else. But one day something happens. A great big thunderstorm comes and Apaka gets so scared that she runs away. Little Nonu is very sad. She goes searching for Apaka everywhere but doesn't find her until, I won't tell you. You go find out the ending of the story. The storybook is called Apaka. Isn't it a pretty storybook? Yeah. This book is for a very young age group and the story is about a worm, to be specific, a millipede, and it's about the millipede's 137th leg. Something happens to the millipede and his 137th leg. What happens? Well, one day as the millipede is going along his way, he trips and falls. And he hurts his 137th leg. And then someone helps him, but I won't tell you who. Several people try, several insects try, but finally it's only one insect with a special skill that helps him out. If you want to know the ending of the story, you have to go and find the book. The storybook is called The 137th Leg. Those were our recommendations for the books we love. If you have books that you love, send us a video of it along with you telling us what you love about it to upload at getfreedom.com. I can't wait to share it with everybody and I'm sure that you'll send it in soon. Bye! See you next time!